Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove line break here in Wix. All right. So first up, I'm just going to go ahead and add in maybe a paragraph right here. So go ahead over to Elements and text styles, maybe this paragraph. Okay. Just going to click on it like so. And there you have it. As you can see here, we have this line break. Okay. To eliminate that, you can go ahead and choose either of the two options. First one, use these points. And the second one is by adjusting the font size. Okay. So first one right here, just use these points, click and drag like so. All right. Maybe that. As you can see, it's much prettier and it's easier to read. All right. The second option, double click on the text itself, go to the right panel. Right here, we have the font size. Okay. Change it, maybe on 50, like so. To eliminate the line break, change this one to maybe 25, like so. All right. Also, if you want to create your own line break, for example, this block right here is set to like this. Okay. So just click on maybe in this area, double click first, click, and then just tap on enter on your keyboard. There you go. There you have it. And that's how easy it is to remove your line break or to remove the line break here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.